Mandla. Awethu. Aha uMkhonto aha. Jikijela uMkhonto jikijela. Kokhela Msholozi Nxamalala kokhela. Lead us, President Jacob Zuma, lead us. No, thank you very much, comrades. Ngegama nguSandile Ngcobo Sibongo. As the program director, Comrade Kazuza has said that I'm the appointed provincial convener of uMkhonto Wesizwe Youth League in Gauteng province. Ngokuhlala within this very zone, Konalai Ward 36. That's where my membership and activism is based. You are invited today to an activist forum. I think it is important that we all know and understand what is an activist. In many instances, in our social media spaces, especially our WhatsApp groups, I can tell that before we can even, Comrade President, start to preach the concepts of radical economic transformation and everything, we need to start with the basics. Make comrades understand that you are an activist. What exactly are we calling you? An activist is he or she in the face of injustice who rises and acts. What a simple definition. In the face of any injustice, you are being a leader, you are being an activist. And so now, we are not just activists in J, but we are activists of uMkhonto Wesizwe party. And already by virtue of naming the party uMkhonto Wesizwe, this party already carries a lot of weight on our shoulders. Because our namesake is the revolutionary armed wing of our people, to defend the African masses. So it was no coincidence that on the very same day, not December 16, but this time not in 1961, in 2023, the most senior politician currently in the Republic of South Africa, by the way, served in the NEC of the ANC since 1977. There's very little that anybody can tell President Jacob Zuma but the politics of this country. Took a conscious decision that is going to gather all activists and rally us behind the banner of uMkhonto Wesizwe in order to reclaim the progressive policies that were adopted and advanced during a 9-year period that the enemy calls 9 wasted years. But comrades, mine is not to deliver an address here, but simply just to welcome you all in this activist forum. Hence I've defined an activist, so it is he or she in the face of injustice who then rises and acts. So that is all of you. In the face of the injustice of load shedding, in the injustice of socio-economic inequality, financial exclusion in institutions of learning, you can spend the whole night spelling these injustices that make it a necessity for us to become activists. So with those words, comrades, I'd love to welcome you all to our program. Comrade Coordinator has already said it is going to be a very short and brief program. So with those words, comrades, you are all welcome. Amandla, awethu.